Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send Solana from Bitget to Phantom Wallet. Now to do this, open up your Bitget exchange. That is the application we're working with. Make sure you have an account on Bitget. If you do not have an account on the Bitget exchange, use our link in the description of the video to register and verify your account. So you're on the Bitget platform looking for how to send your Solana to your Phantom Wallet. Head to the assets menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Make sure you're on the overview. Scroll from the overview to the spot or margin, depending on where your Solana is stored. As you can see here, I've got my Solana. If you do not have some Solana, use the buy icon to simply buy from either your bank deposits, credit card, your P2P options are also available, or you could make a bank transfer with your account and buy the crypto directly on the Bitget exchange. So once you've gotten yourself some SOL, click on the withdrawal option, click on on-chain withdrawal, and you're asked to enter the network. So we're going to be going with the Solana network, and the gas fee is $1. So all you need to do now is simply enter a withdrawal address. The minimum withdrawal is $20. So simply minimize, open up your Phantom wallet, and with the Phantom wallet opened up, where you have Solana, click on Solana, and where we have deposit, click on the deposit icon, copy your address, minimize, open up the Bitget exchange, click on Bitget, paste the address there, where we have the minimum amount to withdraw, enter 0.2, and then simply hit the withdrawal option. By clicking on the withdrawal, you get to send your tokens over to your Phantom wallet here, and on the Phantom wallet, simply click on Solana and perform a reload, and you'd find your Solana tokens here. So guys, comment down below if you have a question, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.